Hi guys, it's Dr. Pugh. It is Friday at 3:37 p.m. and it has been a wacky day. Um, yeah, I won't go too far into it, but suffice to say, I am so sorry that I am just now getting you instructions. And so here's what you're going to see. When you go into Module 5, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and re-download the Module 5 instructions. Whoops, see up here? Read Module 5 instructions. Re-download that document. And you're going to see that I have put the instructions in that document. And I've shifted up those instructions a little bit based on what I got from you guys over the last couple of days. These instructions are to be completed by Saturday, May 9th, 2100, Pandemic Standard Time, which means if you need an extension, the answer is yes. Just write to me and tell me what you need. Tell me when you can get it done. What I'm going to ask you to do is complete Scaffold 3, which is your annotated bibliography. Over the next couple of hours, I'm going to be getting a bunch of stuff posted to the Module 5 space that will give you a model of an annotated bibliography that will help you think about secondary sources and that will help you think about how to do either the podcast or the magazine feature article. So your goals are threefold. One, finish that annotated bibliography. That's what this paragraph is about. That's what this line item is about. Two, there is a document in Module 5 called Chart for Identifying Rhetorical Patterns in Sources. Take the 10 sources from your annotated bibliography, plug them into that chart, and send it to me in accordance with this checkbox. Finally, I'm going to get those task descriptions for the podcast and the magazine article up there this evening. So take a look at those and send me an email telling me which one you think you're going to create. Again, all of this is on Pandemic Standard Time. Get it to me as soon as you're able. We're going to be flexible because I'm behind and I know that a lot of you guys have a lot going on in your lives. My goal is that you get it done, not that you get it done by a specific deadline. So let's work together. Let's be flexible. Thanks for all of your help and support in helping me write better instructions. I value you guys and I look forward to seeing the work that you're doing.